Hello there, everyone.
Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations.
Today, we've got something truly exciting to talk about. The Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera 4K Bundle. This is hands down one of the best pocket cameras available in the market right now, and we're here to dive deep into its features and capabilities. So, stick around for the next 10 minutes, and we'll tell you all about it.
Here it is, the Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera 4K Bundle. A powerhouse for any aspiring filmmaker or seasoned pro. What sets this camera apart is its incredible 4/3 sized HDR sensor, which allows you to capture stunning DCI 4K footage at resolutions of up to 4096 by 2160 pixels. With rates of up to 60 frames per second, you'll have the creative freedom you need to bring your vision to life. But that's not all. This camera boasts a dual native ISO up to 25600, which means exceptional low light performance, giving you the flexibility to shoot in various lighting conditions. And let's not forget the 5-inch touchscreen display, a game changer for monitoring and controlling your shots. It's intuitive and responsive, making your filming experience a breeze. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K features an active micro 4/3 lens mount, compatible with a wide range of lenses, including PL, C, EF, and more with the right adapters. This bundle also includes a Watson LPE6N lithium-ion battery pack and a 64GB Ultra US ISD-XC memory card from SanDisk, ensuring you're ready to roll from the get-go. You might be wondering about the price.
Well, this fantastic bundle is priced at $1,295, offering tremendous value for what you get. It's an investment in your filmmaking journey, and with the quality it delivers, it's worth every penny. Now, let's take a moment to check out what customers are saying about this camera.
With over 150 ratings, it has an impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars on Amazon. Customers praise the camera's picture quality, control, and its ability to produce beautiful images. However, some have reported performance issues, so it's essential to consider this before making your purchase. If you want to take your filmmaking to the next level, there are plenty of accessories and upgrades available. You can add a cage, additional batteries, and even an SSD mount for extended recording times. It's a versatile system that can grow with your skills and needs. In conclusion, the Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera 4K Bundle is a fantastic choice for filmmakers looking for professional-grade quality in a compact package. Its features, versatility, and affordability make it one of the best pocket cameras on the market today. That's a wrap on our review of the Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera 4K Bundle. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you're serious about filmmaking, this camera should be on your radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest product reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this camera, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique. Happy filming!